A simplified, intuitive, and straightforward customer experience is critical to helping as many businesses as possible access the benefits of robot-based automation. During the rollout of the new iKUKA operating system and ecosystem, KUKA will continually improve our customer experience so that more people than ever before can access the power of industrial robotics. This focus on developing functionality to improve the customer journey ensures that all customers, including those with existing robotics expertise, will achieve higher efficiency, a better ability to respond to demands, and a shorter time to market. Let's have a look at what this vision of the future means. Jack is a typical business owner who wants to improve his business and stay competitive, but he's concerned it could be too costly or complicated and take too much time. He needs a fast and intuitive way to find the right solutions on his own and order them. After ordering, Jack knows that his robot will come ready to use and has a clear view on the delivery timeline. KUKA Production pre-assembles, tests, and boxes the components while Jack prepares his factory. Delivery, unboxing, and installation are fast and simple. With pre-configured and tested components, startup is straightforward. After equipment registration, all relevant support materials are available on myKUKA, and a selection are pre-installed on the operator device. Learning how to operate, configure, and program the robot is intuitive and fast, requiring no special training. Self-help materials are a key part of customer success, easing the path for new customers who may lack robot experience. iKUKA Smart Programming is a game changer, removing a huge barrier to robotic automation and allowing non-experts to quickly implement typical robotic tasks. Self-help troubleshooting greatly reduces the time to production. The entire process of commissioning is fast and easy, meaning Jack can be assured of a quick return on investment and improved productivity across the factory with additional robots. With simplified and intuitive workflows, Jack can also think about easily improving other parts of his production. New ideas can be researched and verified quickly. KUKA partners also benefit from the easy and intuitive workflow by having their products and solutions highlighted in iKUKA ecosystem channels. Robots can easily be reused for new tasks, allowing new ideas to be tested quickly. Installation of additional tools is fast thanks to toolboxes and self-help materials. Configuring inputs and outputs for tools is straightforward, ensuring they can be added to iKUKA Smart Programming in a simple way which doesn't require expert training. With iKUKA, relatively complex tasks can be automated, optimized, and adapted by anyone. Customers can realize their dreams quickly, with a minimum of effort, little training, and without completely disrupting their production. And the iKUKA pre-launch package for the cobot market is just the start. As we add functionality and grow the iKUKA platform over time to include more robots and applications, and combine that with the addition of more and more ecosystem providers, we will enable even faster and more successful robot-based automation in more businesses than ever before.
Industrial intelligence.